Hi there, I am absolutely thrilled to welcome you to National Careers Week. We've got an enormous range of activity taking place this week to really help shape your understanding, really help develop your awareness of the wide range of opportunities locally, regionally, nationally for you to engage in. We've got input from a variety of local and regional employers. We've got a wealth of information online, and we've got a wide range of sessions taking place that we really encourage you to have a look at and take up. This sort of opportunity really does make an enormous difference in terms of bringing the work you do day to day and your studies to life and place it into the context of your future and really help bridge that gap. And the whole point of National Careers Week is to have a concentrated view and an approach in terms of developing that careers education. So it's yours for the taking. Have a look and please do participate. And as we say, there's lots going on in person and online. So hopefully you'll find something to fit your needs. Thank you ever so much.